Welcome to the Essential Guide to Servers Maintenance, your key to keeping your digital backbone healthy and running smoothly. In today's digital world, servers are the vital engines that power businesses and websites. Understanding server maintenance is key to reliability and security. Neglecting server maintenance can lead to many problems, from slow performance to major system failures. This guide will cover key tasks and best practices for effective server maintenance to keep your digital infrastructure resilient. Regular server maintenance is crucial to prevent downtime, enhance security, improve performance, extend lifespan, and save costs. Proactive maintenance identifies potential issues before they cause outages, ensuring business continuity. Applying security patches and updates protects against cyber threats and data breaches, safeguarding your valuable data. Optimizing server configurations and resources ensures faster load times and smoother operations, enhancing user experience. Regular checks and cleaning can prolong the life of server hardware, maximizing your investment and reducing replacements. Preventing major failures is significantly cheaper than recovering from them, saving your organization time and money. A comprehensive server maintenance plan involves several key tasks performed regularly to keep your system healthy. Continuous monitoring of CPU usage, memory, disk space, and network traffic is essential to detect issues early. Keeping the OS, applications, and security software up to date is crucial for security and performance. Regularly reviewing server logs helps identify problems and potential security threats. Implementing a reliable backup strategy and testing it regularly is essential for data protection and recovery. Checking firewall rules, access attempts, and conducting security audits are vital for server security. Cleaning up unnecessary files, optimizing databases, and managing user accounts improves server efficiency. Checking for overheating, cooling system function, RAD status, and physical connections is important. To ensure your server maintenance strategy is effective, consider these best practices for a strong and reliable infrastructure. Establish a routine for performing maintenance tasks to keep everything organized and consistent. Use scripts and tools to automate repetitive maintenance activities, saving time and reducing errors. Keep detailed records of all maintenance performed for tracking, analysis, and compliance. Have a plan for major failures, including data restoration and system recovery, to minimize downtime. Ensure staff are knowledgeable about maintenance procedures through training to maintain a high level of care. Don't assume everything is working. Test backups, security measures, and recovery plans regularly. Server maintenance is vital for the health, security, and performance of your IT infrastructure. Let's recap key points. Regular monitoring, updates, backups, and security checks are crucial for effective maintenance. Investing time and resources in server maintenance proactively saves you from costly problems and headaches down the line.